Hello.
Welcome to Mirror World Unbox.
Ooh, bizarre.
Ooh, the couch moved.
Oh, it's got a nice little weight to it. All right. Cha.
It's exciting every time.
Ooh, okay. Wera, is that how you pronounce it?
Think about how a German would pronounce it.
Wera.
Wera. Tool check. Ooh, very nice. It looks like there's all these little pieces. Well, let's open it up and see what's inside.
There's never just one way to open a box.
Only open on one side. It's a very European box.
There we are. Ta-da. Oh my.
My
Look at these
goodness.
colors.
My goodness, it's shining too bright.
This is so aesthetically pleasing. Oh. It's like a Harley Davidson type sticker.
Tool Rebels. I think this might be,
Is it a tattoo?
I thought it was a temporary tattoo. It's not. It's not.
It's
that
like
would
just slap it on the arm.
That's a good idea, but that's not what it is. Look at all these bits and drivers and ratchets and little tiny handles. This is a tiny ratchet. Look at this. Oh my God, it's so cute.
If I can get it out, it's really cute. Stick this in there, and then you can add your little bits on the end.
Let's see how this flips up.
No, maybe you push that.
Oh,
yeah.
the release, of course.
Dun 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 dun! Shapes!
Look at all those shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100. Goes together like so. This little piece, and then you can pull out the end. I'm not doing it correctly, but you get the idea. I'm sure you're all wondering, why are we unboxing another screwdriver on this show?
We love tools.
Don't we make robots or do something useful instead of playing with tools? Well,
No.
first of all, tools are really fun to buy. And
tools aren't.
this video is a reaction to our previous screwdriver video because our favorite person, Spencer Wright of The Prepared, said, hey, nice screwdriver that you have there. Have you considered the Wera tool check? Because it's my personal favorite. But this is a cool little set, has ratcheting, and we will be putting it to good use, and we will let Spencer know what we think of it compared to our Weehaw. So thank you, Spencer, and thank you, Wera. We'll catch you next time on Unbox.
Later. Bye. Bye-bye.